Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today, I want to take you into the heart of a nation, into the streets of Addis Ababa, where more than a race, a movement is born every single year. This is the story of the Great Ethiopian Run. A story of joy, of struggle, of unity, and the incredible spirit of the Ethiopian people. A story that starts with a dream and becomes one of Africa's biggest and most colorful road races. The beginning of a legend. It's the year 2001. Addis Ababa is buzzing with excitement. Streets are filling with color, the air is full of music, and tens of thousands of people are gathering for something new, something bold, something that had never been attempted before in Ethiopia. The idea came from Haile Gebrselassie, the Olympic champion, the legend, the man who made Ethiopia shine on the global stage. Haile believed that running shouldn't be only for elite athletes. He believed running belonged to everyone. To the old, the young, the strong, the weak. To the everyday citizen with dreams in their heart. And so, the Great Ethiopian Run was born. A simple 10-kilometer race, but a powerful symbol of hope. The spirit of the people. If you've ever attended the Great Ethiopian Run, you know the feeling. It's not just a race, it's a celebration. Imagine this. More than 40,000 people wearing the same brightly colored t-shirt, marching through the city like a river of joy. Young people dancing on the sidelines. Families walking hand in hand. Elite athletes warming up with laser focus. Volunteers shouting, laughing, guiding runners. And everywhere, music. Traditional drums beating. Crowds cheering. Vuvuzelas echoing between buildings. It's Ethiopia's heartbeat. It's Ethiopia's smile. It's Ethiopia's message to the world. What makes it special? You might ask, what makes the Great Ethiopian Run so unique? Well, it's the only race where you don't have to run fast to win. You just have to show up. It is a day where rich and poor run side by side. Politicians and construction workers where the same bib children run next to world champions. Millions watch the event live on TV, cheering from home. For one day, Ethiopia becomes one family. The race is also deeply tied to charity and social causes. Every year, the theme changes, highlighting issues like health, equality, climate, and peace. It becomes a platform where running meets responsibility. Stories that inspired a nation. Let me tell you a few stories. Story 1. The first-time runner. A young girl, just 12 years old, joins her first race. She runs with old shoes, dusty and loose. People laugh at first, but then she finishes the entire 10 kilometers. She raises her hands at the finish line and says, "Today, I prove to myself that I can do anything." Today, she's a national athlete. Story 2. The elder. An old man, almost 70, participates every year. He doesn't run. He walks. Slowly. Step by step. When asked why he keeps coming, he says, "I come because the great run keeps my heart young." Story 3. The mother. A mother of 3, carrying her youngest child on her back, walks the entire race. She says, "If I can finish this race, I can finish all the challenges in my life." These stories show the secret of the Great Ethiopian Run. It is not about distance. It is about determination, the rise of a global event. Over the years, the Great Ethiopian Run grew beyond expectations. From 10,000 runners to 20,000 to 40,000 to being recognized as Africa's largest road race. Runners now come from Europe, Asia, America, Kenya, Uganda, South Africa. People travel from across the world just to experience Ethiopia's energy. International media call it the most colorful race on earth, the happiest 10K in Africa. But behind all the excitement, there is something deeper. It showcases Ethiopia's culture, its warmth, its unity, its belief in progress, the impact on athletes. The Great Ethiopian Run is also a stepping stone for future stars. Many young athletes who join the race go on to become world champions. They gain confidence, they feel the crowd, they compete with the best. This event played a role in shaping Seelman Barega, Durarda Tulu, Meseret Dufar, Lettuce Begidi and many rising talents. It builds a generation of dreamers. Because when you run with 40,000 people cheering you, you believe you can achieve anything. Beyond sports, a social movement. Let's talk impact. The Great Ethiopian Run is not just a race, it is a social movement. Every year, the organizers choose a theme. Running for peace, running for clean water, running for unity, running for a better Ethiopia. These themes are not slogans. They become conversations, campaigns, community actions. The race also creates thousands of temporary jobs, supports local businesses, and boosts tourism in Addis Ababa. It brings millions of bear into the economy. But most importantly, it creates hope. The colors, the culture, the energy. Now close your eyes for a moment and imagine a sea of yellow, green, and red Ethiopia's colors flowing through Meskel Square. Crowds chanting, Yikalo, Yikalo. It is possible. Drummers from Guri, traditional dancers from Oromo and Amhara. Sidama rhythms echoing in the air. Laughter everywhere. The Great Ethiopian Run is a cultural festival. It is a national holiday without being a holiday. A day when Addis feels like a heartbeat. Why this race matters. So why does the Great Ethiopian Run matter so much? Because it teaches us something simple, but powerful. You don't need to be the fastest. You only need to keep moving. It reminds us that unity is possible even when life is tough. It reminds us that Ethiopia is stronger when it comes together. It reminds us that hope grows when people share the same road. And so, as we end this story, I want you to imagine the next race. Imagine yourself at the starting line, feeling the energy of thousands, hearing the drums, seeing the colors, breathing the excitement. The Great Ethiopian Run is not just a 10K. It's a message to the world. A message of unity, a message of strength, a message of endurance, a message of hope. And year after year, Ethiopia shows the world that the human spirit, when united, is unstoppable. Thank you. This has been the story of the Great Ethiopian Run.